Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025. Don't look now, but the VIX touched 19 in pre-market. 18.88. Dow down 413. NASDAQ down 363. S&P is down 74. Look out. A little sell-off going into the morning. It's been a while since I remember markets being down this much pre-market. So, haven't really seen any one thing that's causing it, but could be a good thing for Delta Neutral. So just about everything board is red. All the big boys red. NVIDIA down 2.5%. Who else? Amazon down 2.5%. Tesla still bleeding lower. It's been coming down. It went down most of last week. I thought last week we might have hit bottom, but had some more downside today. Good morning, Krish. Morning, Abash. I'm going to hold off on my 1 DTE here until I can kind of maybe get some big move. Bell has rung. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold off on the 1 DT for now. Just kind of see what the market how it opens. Just open with a nice 25-point push down. VIX 19.22, up almost 20%. Yeah, not really sure what's causing this, but I welcome it. Some people say that September is typically a weak month historically, and so maybe that's why it's starting out weak. S&P down 90. NASDAQ down 390. PLTR with a pretty good bounce here. Meta and Microsoft getting bought up here, a little push down. Yeah, PLTR pretty much went through pre-market lows and then bounced immediately. I was going to kind of look at entering a 1 DTE now. All right, just got entered. So I will post it. Looking for some big volume bars. Looks like MSTR is going to get one. So MSTR. It's pulling back a little bit. MSTR, I would trade the 340 calls. Filled at 780. I would close half at, let's go 860. Filled at 860. Now that's what a volume runner is supposed to do. Get out of another one here at 950. Now we just need to go through highs. Tesla pushing up to Friday's lows. Lower my profit target and MSTR to 940. PLTR past Friday's lows and pushing up. MSTR, I guess, trying to get up to Friday's highs. Filled at 940. Well, I've only got one left. As you know, when price is in that $6 to $7 area, it's kind of if you just do a couple contracts, it's not enough. It's too, it's smaller than my typical buying power. And if you do 4, it's a little bigger. It's kind of that awkward area. So I got one left. We'll see if it'll run up a little bit. No theta decay in my 1 GTE whatsoever yet. No mighty 90s or anything like that. I'll put an order in at $11 to close my last MSTR. Filled at $11. Wow, I should have put it higher. That, my friends, is what you want from a volume runner. Definitely could have gotten more out of MSTR. Oh well, what a great trade. Not seeing any good mighty 90s yet. S&P coming back down though. Looks like MSTR kind of pushed up to pre-market highs, and now it's getting rejected. Because honestly, it's setting up to look like it wants to, another good long position if it pulled back to a previous day high. NASDAQ highs of day. Tesla through Friday's lows. Just going to sit here and wait. Not seeing anything else I want to get in quite yet. Meta, potential long in Meta here. It's pushed up. Now it's kind of pausing. It's really not at a key level, though. That's my only thing. But it does have a little spot here staying above it. Tesla also right at previous day low, so that if it stays above that, that could be a potential long. Yeah, Meta pushing up. I'm gonna look again long Tesla here, previous day lows on the 335 calls. Filled at 535. And so if it pushes down below previous day lows, I would just exit. All right, now we're getting a little nice push up in the S&P. VIX all the way down to 18.2 now. Boeing strong. I've got an order to close half my Tesla at 590. AVGO just above previous day lows. Boeing strong. S&P above where it opened now. AVGO pushed up above previous day low, now pulling back a little bit. Similar to Tesla is what it looks like. Tesla kind of hanging out where I got in at right now. Wow, Boeing really pushing. PLTR staying strong. I like AVGO as well, but I'm in one similar like Tesla. Yeah, I'm just going to stick with Tesla though. Seems like it wants to hold above previous day lows. Tesla does. MSTR all the way back to previous day highs. Looks like Circle got a big green bar, but it's already come down past it. Tesla holding well. It's close to getting out of half my Tesla on that push up there. Still not seeing any mighty 90s. So everything based on price action at the moment. After being above 19 is now under 18. PLTR, I'm going to look at getting long PLTR here on the 157.5 calls. And filled at 268. So it's pushed up. It's kind of pausing here. I want it to hold here. I don't want it to come down much more. Tesla coming down through my line in the sand. Darn it. I'll wait. I'll give it the rest of this bar here before I exit Tesla, but it's come down. And it's trying to hold. It might pop back up. So we'll see what this next bar does, and I'll make a decision on these. Both Tesla and PLTR have come down further than I wanted them to. I was hoping PLT would hold. I guess I could have waited till the end of the bar, but it could have easily pushed up too, and I would have missed it. I'm gonna go ahead and exit Tesla here. Build at 490. So not that big of a loser, but it came down below my line in the sand, bottom line. So it may bounce, who knows, but wasn't going to take the chance of it continuing downward. It's a weak market as well. And I'm going to close PLTR. Filled at 240. So they just started getting weak again. I was hoping for some continued upside. So it looks like the markets are saying not so fast when it comes to pushing up. Boeing pushed up, pulled back to Friday's open, circle down to lows of day, CrowdStrike down to lows of day. So a lot of stocks taking a pause here. MSTR just kind of hang out around Friday's highs. Could be another potential long there. It is green. I'm going to go ahead and jump back in some MSTR on the 345 calls. I was trying to get filled at 720. Filled at 735. Now, if it comes down through previous day highs, I'll have a quick trigger on it. Close half at 810. S&P's starting to chop a little bit. Filled at 810, close half my MSTR. PLTR did push back up. Darn it. Tesla, not so much. It's just kind of chopping. So looks like that was a pretty good out. Good luck there, Krish. Not really seeing anything getting like really weak and going through lows of day. Need MSTR through highs of day. Again, did 4 contracts out of 2. Got 2 left. S&P coming down a bit now, though. Might be getting our second push in the downward direction. MSTR now below where I got in, darn it. Just hold above previous day high. MSTR will be fine. Tesla's but not many opportunities here the last 20 minutes or so. There you go. Tesla getting back up there now. Trying to get the highs of day, Tesla is. So congrats to anybody that held that one. And PLTR. Both of them came just down through my line in the sand enough that I closed. Geo back up to above previous day lows. MU trying to get up to highs of day. Same with PLTR. After it flushed me out. Oh, rat. MSTR trying to push back up. MSTR. PLTR up to highs of day. Darn it. Got a profit target at 890 in MSTR to close another. Just can't get up there though, MSTR. Let's go. Yeah, PLTR through highs of day. Darn it. MSTR's trying. PLTR through highs of day. Well, I'm getting a lot of chop here from a lot of these stocks. So other than MSTR, I'm not really seeing much. S&P starting to trend down a little bit. It might be saying not so fast on this up move, and now it's coming down. Yeah, and there goes PLTR. Darn it. Just came down too much for me. Yeah, pretty choppy here at the moment. MSTR just can't get through highs of day yet. Looks like prices want to come back down now. Well, I'm not going to get anything else. It's all pretty choppy. So I'll hold MSTR. If it comes down through previous day high, I'll close it. And so I will post my out in the day trading. So I will see everybody during power hour. Peace.